I never thought I'd feel like this.
Never thought I would be that famous in Japan. They were taking pictures of me.
I never thought I'd feel like this.
We're at the front of Shibuya crossing.
Crossing, and we'll go to Starbucks to get a better view of it, and I hope you get to imagine when it's a busy time. We can't wait for the nighttime for it to get busy. We have to be back to the hotel, so let's see.
Never thought I would be that famous in Japan. They were taking pictures of me. Pop
Putok.
putok.
Sweaty. Oh, okay. It's a wallet. No, it's a coin purse. It's a pouch.
Yay! We're inside IKEA, Japan in Shibuya.
It's very good.
Just right serving.
It's not like the Western style serving na very big. This one is a small one, pero it's enough. And it's very good.
We're back inside the Grand Don Quixote. Mega Don Quixote. So skin bait is
So it means insect repellent. Cute. You know, may
Don me? So they have OxyClean and Shiny. I wonder if the same.
Let's try this mushroom mix snack.
This is squid. Or in Filipino, Tagalog, it's pusit. Small crabs. That's very big, very big. Variety of dried goods in here. This might be dried mango, pine, dried tomatoes, mix of dried fruits. Look what they found. We found a
Philippine product from Cebu. Dried mangoes for $4.98.
That's a good price. Different Kit Kat flavors. They have apple Kit Kat. They have, what is this? Matcha green tea.
This one, strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake.
And then there's one with
Sake Kit Kat. Interesting Pringles. I'm not really a fan, but salt and vinegar, hot and spicy, cheese and onion, paprika,
ketchup.
pizza.
5 flavors.
There's a chocolate orange Kit Kat, milk tea Kit Kat, salt lemon Kit Kat.
Hello, and we are now at the Takeshita Street here in Harajuku.
Harajuku.
It's just a plane ride, I mean a plane, a train ride from the Shibuya station.